What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 a.m.
Do you brush your teeth every day?
Yes, I brush my teeth every morning and night.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and eggs.
Do you like coffee or tea?
I like coffee.
What do you wear to school?
I wear a uniform.
Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother.
What is your mother's name?
Her name is Anna.
Do you live with your parents?
Yes, I do.
Is your family big or small?
My family is small.
Who cooks dinner in your home?
My mother cooks dinner.
What's your favorite subject?
I like math.
Do you go to school every day?
Yes, from Monday to Friday.
What time does school start?
It starts at a.m.
Do you like your teacher?
Yes, she is very kind.
Do you study English?
Yes, I study it every day.
What do you do in your free time?
I watch movies.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play soccer.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
What games do you play?
I play mobile games.
What is your favorite food?
I love pizza.
What do you drink with lunch?
I drink water.
Do you like spicy food?
No, I don't.
Can you cook?
A little bit.
Do you eat vegetables?
Yes, I do.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I do.
Where do you buy clothes?
I buy clothes at the mall.
How much is that shirt?
It's $10.
Do you pay with cash or card?
I pay with a card.
Do you shop online?
Sometimes.
Do you like snow?
Yes, it's fun.
What's the weather like today?
It's sunny.
Do you like the rain?
Yes, I like rainy days.
Is it hot or cold?
It's cold.
What do you wear in winter?
I wear a coat and scarf.
How are you today?
I'm happy.
Are you tired?
Yes, a little.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am.
Do you feel sick?
No, I feel fine.
Are you excited?
Yes, I can't wait.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love it.
Have you been to the beach?
Yes, many times.
Where do you want to go?
I want to go to Japan.
Do you travel by car or plane?
I travel by plane.
Have you ever seen snow?
Yes, once.
Do you have many friends?
Yes, I do.
What do you do with your friends?
We play games.
Do you talk to your friends every day?
Yes, I do.
Who is your best friend?
Her name is Mia.
Where did you meet your best friend?
At school.